to create a playlist on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse Through YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a playlist on your Android device. So if you decided you like to add some of the music, some of the songs, some videos that you like to listen multiple times, this video is for you because you can create, as you know, a playlist on YouTube, and it's very accessible and very convenient to have a playlist so you can play the songs that you would like to listen. This is a new feature and it's super helpful. So now let's jump right into the video. What you need to do is to tab on you need to exit first your profile, go to library, and then select new playlist. And from here you can add videos, right? You can add a videos recent watched, and here it will show you the recent watch, which for me is just 0 because I haven't watched any videos on this YouTube channel. But another way is to simply, you just need to go to a video and then you tap on the share, on the save button right over there. And now when you tap on this button, you have two options: only tap on change, but also you have the option to select watch later or new playlist. Normally what I do, instead of I do not select watch later, and I create a playlist dedicated to that category, that types of videos that I like to watch again. So here, type the title of that video, of that playlist, of that category: tutorials. And now here you should select what you would like to, which option fits for you, or if it's public, maybe you like to share this, or if you want to share this only with some friends, you can select unlisted, and then you can share the link of the playlist with some friends. Or private, only you are the only one who can view the playlist and listen. And or public, anyone can search for and view. So now just tap on create, see the list, and here you can see the playlist we just created. If you tap on the three dots from there, you can delete the playlist, you can watch on TV. And if you tap on this icon, you can here copy the link and share it with your friends. As you can see here, we have the copy the link. Now you can share with your friends. And here you can, if you tap on these three dots here, it will show you this option here from where you can save a video, save to watch later, save to playlist, remove from this playlist. And now if you tap on this playlist, on this here where it says play all, now you can play the playlist, you can listen to it, and you can also edit the playlist from here if you want to edit the title. So that's the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'm trying to reach 1000 subscribers, so subscribe and like this video if this video helped you. Now guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and I wish you the best.